The system you install must meet Hunter Douglas specifications and your local codes. This session is for interior applications. Snap-in installation. The 4 components used are the 1 1/2 inch CRC black iron, cross connector clamp, snap bar, and the panels. Hang the snap bars. Use cross connector clamps to hang the bars. Place the brackets on the 1 1/2 inch CRC. They only work one way. Press the snap bars into the clamps. Adjust the spacing of the snap bars to match the panels. Install the snap-in panels. The panels are directional. Align the arrows as you install the panels. Press the panels into the snap bar. Listen for the snap. The snap tells you the panels are installed properly. Use the heel of your hand to press the panel edge into place. Snap-in panels are point accessible and can be removed and replaced. To use the panel removal tool, insert the tool at a corner. Once you find the right spot, insert the tool until it clicks and pull down. Thanks for using Hunter Douglas architectural products. Other